This episode is sponsored by Bespoke Post, a monthly membership club delivering a box of awesome from under the radar brands. Stay. I'm gonna let her go. Hope for the best. There it goes! What do you think, Ellie? Is everything okay? Sled just got a little dent. Nothing major. And all the wood is here at the cabin. Some hard work. Sure is rewarding though. We got a nice stack
of firewood out there now. It's gonna last us a long time. So guys, I'm pretty excited. I've got some new stuff for the cabin here from Bespoke Post, which is a monthly membership club. Each box of Awesome has around $70 in value, but you pay a fraction of the price. And around 90% of the products in Bespoke Post boxes come from small brands, and many of which are based right here in the US. This is the cask kit. Let's dive right in. Wow. So this is the charred American oak mini barrel used to age whiskey. Next, we have the Hibernate kit. Look at these moccasins. They're so soft. Last but not least, we have the Weekender kit. Oh, wow. And what I think is cool about Bespoke Post is it's free to join and you only pay for what you want. So if you don't like what's in a box that they're planning to send you, you can either swap it out for a different box or you can skip a month altogether. The quiz is really great because it helps you personalize the stuff that you want. So we start with barware and mixology. This one, oh yeah, you bet. I am very interested. So there you have it. If you all want to give Bespoke Post a shot, head over to my personal link and use the code TCL20 to get $20 off your first box of Awesome. Well guys, I think I'm gonna take the sled over to where we cut down that tree to get some of the scraps to build a bonfire. All right, look at all of this. This is some good stuff. I'm definitely going to take the rest of this tree at some point, but for now I'm just going to leave it be, and we'll come back when we need more wood. We also have another dead one right there. That'll be a good tree for some firewood. What do you think? Should we send her? I'm a little afraid with this one. Godspeed. Oh no, don't go into the creek. It's in the creek. And all the wood's in there. Nice little bonfire haul here. These stumps need a little extra help getting started. So we're gonna add a little bit of smaller stuff just to help them really catch fire. This pine burns like so intense. It's great. I love it. That should definitely help. I love a good breakfast scramble, even at night. Super easy to make, tastes amazing, especially after a day of working hard. Done.
Good morning, guys. Let's check our stove. Ooh, all right, we still have the tiniest little ember.
Well, guys, I think it's about time to get out of here. A little earlier than I would like, but we got church this morning, so got to get back. I wish Riley could have been down here, because this was one of my favorite trips down to this cabin that I've had in a while. Felt good to cut up that wood yesterday, and then also just sitting out by the fire till it got dark was just awesome. I haven't really done that in a while because it's just been so cold, you know. All right, that's going to do it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. We appreciate everything, all the comments, and for subscribing and everything you guys do. It's really making this channel possible for us. And thank you to our sponsors, because it helps us be able to do this regularly and afford to be able to do it. So we really appreciate you watching, and we appreciate everyone who is supporting this channel, because man, we're just loving it. So thank you again. And we've also got a big surprise for you guys as well, coming down the pike very, very soon. So stay tuned for all the fun stuff that we've got planned on the channel. Thank you guys.